There's something about the world when you see it from above. The noise fades, the chaos disappears, and suddenly everything feels still. We spend our lives rushing, chasing places, chasing time, chasing things. But up here, none of that matters. Just rivers finding their way, mountains standing without question, and roads leading somewhere unknown. Maybe that's the point. Not every journey needs a destination, not every path needs a reason. Sometimes you just have to go. Go where the winds take you, go where the light feels different, go where you feel small, but somehow more alive than ever. Because the world is bigger than your worries, wider than your thoughts, and more beautiful than you remember. So take a step back, rise a little higher, and look again.